In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate terms and conditions for your Shopify online store. This process is quick and simple, and within just a few minutes, you'll have a professional terms of service policy ready to be added to your store. Let's get started. First, head over to the free terms and conditions generator on Shopify's website. This tool is incredibly useful for creating a customized policy that fits your specific needs, and it's really easy to use. You'll find the link available directly in the description box, making this accessible for you at any time. Now that you're on the page, it's time to begin entering your information. Start by entering your company's name. It's essential to make sure this is accurate, as this name will be mentioned throughout your policy document. Next, input your company email. This should be a professional email linked to your business, where customers or visitors to your website can reach you. Now key in your business address. This step is crucial for transparency and often required by law in many regions. Next, you'll be asked to fill in your zip code. This will further solidify the legality and formal nature of your document, ensuring it's both professional and credible. After that, add your website URL. Including the web address ensures that the document correctly references your online presence, linking your terms directly to your site operations. Once you've completed these steps, look for the button that says "Send me my terms of service policy." Go ahead and click it. This action triggers an email to your inbox containing the generated document. It's ready for use and should arrive shortly. Now that you've got your terms and conditions document, let's move on to adding it to your Shopify store. Log into your Shopify account and navigate to the online store section. From there, find and click on Pages. This is where you'll create a new page to house your terms of service. Select Add Page to begin the creation process. In the title box, I recommend naming it Terms and Conditions so it's easily identifiable to your customers. Then switch to your email, copy the content from the Terms of Service policy you just received, and paste it into the content area of your new page. And there you have it. Your Shopify store now boasts a comprehensive terms and conditions page, professionally generated and accessible to all your visitors. This extra layer of trust not only safeguards your business, but also reassures your customers that your store is legitimate and accountable. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to execute. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful guides to streamline your online store operations. See you in the next video.